My name is Rita, and I'm the inventor of the Walker Squawker, and I'm 93 years young. What problem am I solving is often when you're using the walker, and I've seen this happen many times in nursing homes or at home, that you forget you need a walker. Well, I noticed that at different times of the year that I've gone, especially one of the holidays, they would have something Christmassy on the walker or to make it look attractive, but it didn't really make noise. It was just pretty. I thought about it and decided to make something to help us remember. It makes a very pleasant sound that you'll be attracted. A lot of older people do a lot of bird watching. Well, I always thought the bird was a very pleasant sound and cheerful. And so I thought, a bird, that's great. The Walker Squawker is a cheerful reminder for me to not forget my walker. Walking with the walker gives you a feeling of security that you know you can hang on to and not trip or fall. And he's a cute little fellow. Sometimes your family, our families don't know what to get us. Birthday, holidays, or just a special little gift. And I think this is something useful and festive. I think the Walker Squawker is a great gift. I think most everyone, especially when you get a little on in years, we need sometimes to be reminded, and the Walker Squawker is a pleasant way to have us remember. Thank you for listening, and watch the next video to learn more about the Walker Squawker. I'm Rita, and I'm an ageless innovator.